So we can now clearly see that ants have huge sets of eyes, but yet they're essentially blind. So how do they get around without being able to see? Well, it's because they use their antenna. When we take a closer look at ants' antenna, they're coated with these microfiber hairs, which allows them to pick up the slightest vibration and the smallest hints of smell. As you can see here, my bullet ant colony is going crazy because I opened their outworld, and I opened it without the smallest hints of vibration, but they can still smell the new fresh air coming in. And when I dangle a mealworm in the air, you can see them using the antenna to guide them to the source of the smell. And when I place the worm down, you can see the ant finding the worm with their antenna by smelling, and then touch the worm to make sure that it is in fact the food. Ants also use their antenna to communicate with one another. When an ant wants to communicate with the other members of the colony, they release a certain pheromone, and that smell is picked up by a different ant's antenna to understand what the other ant is saying. So if we were to communicate like ants, that means we have to fart to speak and smell to hear? Ugh, that's just nasty.